Examples. Find the n term of the following AP. We have 3, 7, 11. And these 3 dots indicate that this sequence is an infinite sequence. And we know that this is an AP, arithmetic progression. So in this case, for us to find the n term of this AP, we're given 3, 7, 11. Now the first thing is to identify the first term. This is the first term. We know from here this is first term, T1. This is the second term, T2. And this is the third term, T3. So in this case, the first term, T1, is equals to A, and that's equals to what? 3. Now we can also get the common difference. The common difference, which is D, is equals to T2 minus T1, also equals to T3 minus T2. Now let's check it out. When we use the first one here, we know from here, what is T2? 7. So that is 7 minus 3. And also, if we use T3 minus T2, we have 11 minus 7. 7 minus 3 will give us 4. 11 minus 7 will also give us 4. Now, from here, it shows that our common difference is 4. Common difference D equals to 4. Now, we want to find the n term, and from the n term formula, which is also known as the last term of the AP, Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1D. Now, in this case, anywhere we see A, we put in the value of A to be 3. Then n minus 1 bracket. What's the value of D? D equals to 4. That's the common difference. Now simplifying, it means that Tn equals to what? 3 plus, by expanding the bracket here, 4 times n, we have what? 4n. And 4 times minus 1, we have minus 4. Then collecting like term, Tn equals to 3 minus 4, then plus 4n. That means we are rearranging. This minus 4 will come and meet this 3. So Tn equals to what? Minus 1 plus 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 4n. And we can also write Tn to be equals to 4n minus 1. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.